If you're curious as to what a key and knob lock, a pair of pliers, and an auto body dent puller have in common, I'll show you. This technique, while not very pretty, yields extremely fast results. In an emergency lockout situation, it is necessary to open the lock quickly and reliably. To do so with these tools, begin by screwing the tip of the dent puller into the keyway of the lock. Note, this will destroy the lock. Make sure the tip is screwed tightly into the plug. If so, use the slammer weight to wrench the lock from the lock body. Now, using the pliers, grip the spindle inside the knob body and turn to unlock the lock. To drill a lock, start by drilling an 1/8 inch pilot hole just above the plug's keyway. Follow through with a 1/4 inch or larger bit. Commercially available templates do exist to overlay on the lock if a more precise location for the hole is needed. Once the lock is drilled, use a flat blade screwdriver or key blank to turn the plug and open the lock.